Hello friends, myself Subhash Nakarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this 10th Mathematics Part 1st session. The topic is Probability Part 1st. Today we are going to discuss on Introduction to the Probability, Random Experiment and its outcome. Friends, this topic probability is very interesting one. In this chapter we are going to discuss with the following important subtopics. Those are probability, that is the introduction, random experiment and its outcome, sample space and event, probability of an event. Today in this session we are going to discuss with introduction to the probability. Friends, now let us see to introduction to the probability. Probability is the branch of mathematics concerning numerical descriptions of how likely an event is to occur or how likely it is Roughly speaking, 0 indicates impossibility of the event and 1 indicates certainty. The higher the probability of an event, the more likely it is that the event will occur. Friends, a simple example is the tossing of a fair coin. Since the coin is fair, the two outcomes, head and tail, are both equally probable. The probability of heads equals the probability of tails. And since no other outcome are possible, the probability of the either heads or tails is half, which could also be written as 0.5 or 50%. Here you could see in the figure a coin is tossed, so having a head or tail, there is a 50% possibility or probability. So we use the following words to express the possibility in our daily conversation: probable, maybe, impossible, sure, nearly, 50-50 and so on. So friends, read the following statements regarding these predictions, that is the possibility for the future that we are using in our daily life. Most probably the rain will start from today. The inflation is likely to rise. It is impossible to defeat Indian cricket team in the next match. I will surely get first class. There is no possibility of polio infection if a child is given the polio vaccine in time. The adjoining figure shows a toss before a cricket match. You could see in the adjoining figure. So friends, what are the possibilities here? You could see it will get either heads or you will get a tail, which are shown in the figure. Means the experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there is equally possibility for each result is known as a random experiment. For example, tossing a coin, throwing a die, picking a card from a set of card, binking numbers from 1 to 50, picking a card from a pack of well-shuffled playing cards, etc. Friends, what is outcome now? Result of a random experiment is known as outcome. Whenever you perform an experiment, you get an outcome. So for example, in a random experiment of tossing a coin, there are two outcomes, head and tail. So you could see in here a 10 rupees coin where tails or heads is possible, or similarly you can use 1 rupee coin where you could find the tails and heads. So in an experiment of throwing a die, there are 6 outcomes according to the number of dots on the 6 faces of the die: 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. You can see here the 6 dots in 2-dimensional figure. So the actually die are looking like this, where you could see the dots from 1 to 6. A card is drawn randomly from a pack of well-shuffled playing cards. The playing cards are 52. You could find here from Ace to 10 and then Jack, Queen and King. So 4 different types of cards you could see here. So friends, there are 52 cards in a pack as shown in the adjoining figure. Out of these 52 cards, you can find 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Out of these 26 cards, 13 are heart cards and 13 are diamond. Wherein out of these 26 black cards, you could find 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. Friends, in a pack of these playing cards, there are 4 sets, namely heart, Then these are the face cards. Then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, S. Like this 13 cards are there. You can see the 4 different S's which are belonging to the cards heart, diamond, club and spade. Friends, king, queen and jack are known as face cards. In each pack of these cards there are 4 cards of king, 4 cards of queen and 4 cards of jack. Thus you could find there are totally 12 face cards which could be shown here. The first row indicates the jacks, second row indicates 4 queens and last one row indicating that 4 kings face cards. Friends, what we have been discussed today in this session are of the following subtopics, that is introduction to this probability, then random experiment and outcome. Friends, you should not forget the famous words of Willie Nelson. Once you replace the negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having a positive results. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends and should not forget to press the bell icon in order to have a notification for the next videos. With these words, I would like to say thank you.